Hello everyone, today is the 27th of October 2020. I'm Laura.
I'm Peter.
We'll start with the Euro-Yen Technical Analysis first. Printing a bearish candle on the daily chart, Euro slid down against the Japanese yen on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the Euro-Yen pair to less than 124.00, ahead of the release of European gross domestic product news.
European pair hovers around 123.79 with more than a couple of resistance C ahead. The price might find it difficult moving upside after facing obstruction near the listed price tags. Resistance 1, 124.70, the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. Resistance 2, 125.08, the lowest of September 14, 2020. Resistance 3, 126.00, the psychological number.
On the downside, multiple major support levels might help the decreasing price to sustain around the listed price spots. At support 1, it is 123.36, which is the confluence of two trend lines. At support 2, it is 122.65, which is the low of September 22nd, 2020. At support 3, it is 122.09, which is the major horizontal support.
Okay, let's look at the European gross domestic production news. The Eurostat plans to release numbers concerning the European domestic production news on Friday, October 30, 2020. According to economics forecast, the number of European GDP remained 9.2% this quarter as compared to negative 11.8% in the quarter before.
European gross domestic product reflects the net worth of goods and services within the European zone. Being an important economic indicator, the stats also reveal the overall health of the country's economy. Generally speaking, a high reading or rising trend in this regard is seen as positive for the Euro-Yen pair, whereas a downtrend or decreasing numbers suggest a bearish market for the Euro-Yen pair.
So in conclusion, considering the price movement of the pair over the past few days, selling Euro-Yen around current level might be a worthwhile trading decision in short to medium-term trading.
Next, we'll move on to the USDCAD Technical Analysis. The US dollar plunged against the Canadian dollar on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the USDCAD pair to less than 1.3300, ahead of the release of US ISM Manufacturing PMI news.
The USDCAD pair floats around 1.3208 with a few support levels seen ahead, where the price might find some resistance for sustaining around. Given below are the expected support level for reference. Support 1, 1.3191, the intermediate Fibonacci level support, 23.6%. Support 2, 1.3130, the lower trendline arm. Support 3, 1.3100, the psychological number.
On the upside, multiple resistance levels can be seen on the daily time frame. The USD-CAD pair might come across some critical resistance level near the listed price spot where the price could face a hard time moving forward. At resistance 1, it is 1.3312, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. At resistance 2, it is 1.3329, which is the upper trendline arm. At resistance 3, it is 1.3413, which is the key horizontal resistance.
Let's look at US ISM Manufacturing PMI news. The US Institute for Supply Management to release ISM Manufacturing PMI stats on November 2nd, 2020, Monday, according to economics concerns. The figures concerning the US ISM Manufacturing PMI news remained 56.4 in October as compared to 55.4 in the month before.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI is considered an important economic indicator. It affects the overall GDP more than any other business domain. Generally speaking, reading above 50 anticipate a bullish market for the USD-CAD pair ahead and vice versa.
So in conclusion, given the macroeconomic factor, the price movement of the pair over the past few days, selling USD-CAD around current level might be a good trading decision in short to medium-term trading.
Please don't forget to follow us on our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and Instagram. There's a lot for us to teach. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.